Greetings, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you to this heartfelt discussion. I'm Adam, and today I'm diving into a topic that's not just a guide. It's a lifeline: the Lost SuperFoods. Picture this: 126 ways to shield yourself from hunger in the most challenging circumstances. This online guide has been making waves on the internet, claiming to be a beacon of hope in times of need. And folks, it's more than just a guide. It's a promise of survival and prosperity, tailored for you and your loved ones. Age, culinary skills, or any other factors, it doesn't matter. This guide has your back. But before you decide to embark on this journey, take a moment to absorb what I'm about to share. The Lost SuperFoods isn't just a digital program. It's a response to the unpredictability that surrounds us. In a world rife with uncertainty, crises can strike at any moment. That's why the creator compiled 126 ways to keep hunger at bay, ensuring you and your family are prepared for whatever comes your way. Lockdowns, natural disasters, tough times — this guide is your compass through it all. It's more than just recipes. It's about preserving, sustaining, and ensuring you never go hungry. It's a unique, practical approach for these trying times. What sets the Lost SuperFoods apart is its time-tested wisdom. These 126 foods, the recipes, the methods, they've weathered the storms of history. Through centuries, they've kept people from the brink of starvation, and now they're here to sustain you. If you're yearning for a shield against life's uncertainties, the Lost SuperFoods is your answer. It's not just a guide, it's your ally in keeping your family satisfied through thick and thin. Curious to know more? Visit the official website, the link's in the video description. And here's a little secret for you. Grab the Lost SuperFoods now and enjoy a generous discount. I genuinely hope this video resonates with you. If you have any questions, pour your heart out in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and may the Lost SuperFoods be your guiding light in the darkest hours.